Pretty amazing start to the DevOps Enterprise Summit, don't you think? All right, we're about to head to a break, but I want to share some things to know before you go. Like I just said, we're about to break now, and then the breakout talks will start at 12:50 p.m. London time. Check out Vendor Dome at 1:50 p.m. London time. A couple of our sponsors, LaunchDarkly and GitHub, are going head-to-head, so head to Vendor Dome to see what shakes out. We have networking time starting at 3:55 p.m. London time. That's birds of a feather or having conversations at the Dockside Bar. Visit our sponsors in the virtual expo hall and check out the games for fun and prizes. Be back here for more plenary talks starting at 5:15 p.m. London time. At the start of the day, I promised to share more information about Gather, the virtual conference space we've created for the summit. When you enter Gather, you'll have the opportunity to set your character. Please set your name in Gather to match your name in Slack. That'll just make it easier for you and others to interact. And then do whatever makes you happy with your choice of character and clothing. You can use the map to orient yourself to the Gather space and where you are in it. There are private spaces throughout Gather. When you're in a private space, no one outside that private space can see your video or hear you. You can tell where the private spaces are by the shading on the floor around it, and Gather will also tell you when you've entered one. You can also interact with some of the objects in the space. Gather will tell you to press X to interact with them when you get near them. These objects may or may not be associated with some of the games. That's for you to find out. So I hope you're excited about using Gather. We've recreated the hallway track virtually in Gather, and I know that's something many of us appreciate as such a valuable part of the conference experience, especially at the summit. At the start of the day, I also told you we would have a special Birds of a Feather session each day. The special session for today is DevOps for low-code, no-code environments, and it's hosted by Andrew Davis, who just gave us the mini lecture on the same subject. Andrew also gave a full 30-minute talk on this topic last year. That talk is available in the video library, and it's called DevOps for Salesforce. You might want to watch that talk during a break before the networking time to hear more of Andrew's thoughts. And then join the session during the networking time in the Birds of a Feather room in Gather. It will be in the space in the top left corner of that room. And with that, just remember, be back here for more plenary talks starting at 5:15 p.m. London time. Okay, that's it. Have fun, learn lots.